name is Markiplier, and welcome to the full release of Among the Sleep.
Did you finish your drink already?
Yes, Mama. Ew, it's disgusting. Thanks, Mom.
Now it'll only be a minute. Mommy just has to make sure that the cake is perfect.
Whee! Is it my birthday? Thanks, Mom.
There and there. Perfect.
I love you so much, Mama.
Oh, look at you.
Look at me.
You're so adorable in your tiny footed pajamas.
Thank you.
I think I know a little someone who's ready for some cake.
Put it in my mouth.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Thanks, Mom.
Look what I found. I wonder what it is.
It's a present.
Why don't we go upstairs and find out?
Oh.
My. How much cake did you have?
You only fed me 2 spoonfuls. You didn't give me enough. I'm actually quite hungry, but they... Ooh, how pretty. Grillbite Studio. Wait a minute, what is that? Mom, look out! Whee! Is it my birthday? Thanks, Mom! I'm gonna